Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your Bluetooth headphones are not being detected on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to fix this issue. First, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. Now type services.msc and click OK. When the Services window opens, scroll down and look for Bluetooth Support Service. Once you find it, double-click on it to open the settings. Here, make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. After that, click Apply. Next, check the service status. If the service is not running, click Start to start the Bluetooth service. Once the service is running, click OK. If it does not start the first time, try restarting it from here and make sure it is running properly. Now, for the final step, restart your computer. After your PC turns back on and you reach the desktop, go back to the Bluetooth settings and try adding your Bluetooth headphones again. Your headphones should now be detected and ready to use. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.